Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel, where I continue my mission to get stuff out of the trash and into a reuse, resale, or recycle stream. Good morning. That's wood. We'll take you. I'm not interested in that little printer. Although, let's see if we can grab the cord off of it real quick. What kind of cord are you? All right, screw it. We'll take the printer. Don't like blocking driveways, but I kind of don't have much choice here, just the way it's arranged. They tried to sell that for $30 and they were unsuccessful. There's a boot. Little tiny, little chunks of metal. That's like a shoe rack or something like that. This weighs almost nothing. And we'll squash it down a little bit so it won't take up as much room in the mobile of Shark. There we go. Should I try to say good morning again? Maybe that'll bring me better luck. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel, where my continuing mission is to bring stuff out of the trash and into the recycle, resale, reuse stream. Why am I saying it over again? Because it's been a really slow morning. Back, you're kind of empty, but that's all right. We'll take you. We'll see what's inside, maybe a backplane board. This guy works on electronics, so I can almost always count on there being some sort of e-waste at his place. All right, now that I have introduced myself again, I'm hoping for better luck for the rest of the neighborhood, because so far it has been slow. All right, we saw something shiny. What is it? It's a light. That is the weirdest looking light. That is just weird looking. All right, that's all chromed. I don't think I've ever picked up a chromed ballast light before. I'm assuming that's a, yeah, it's a ballast light. All right. See, they have these kind of shears have a hard time if you get at an if you get any kind of angle going with these smaller wires. The shears bind up, so you got to go very perpendicular. So you don't get all jammed up. And I think I'm just gonna get my ladder real quick, hop up in there, hop. Nice hopping. Okay. Ba-doo-boo-boo. Nice having this little step ladder. Don't want to spend a lot of time on the street. It can get busy. Empty box. Let's get you cleaned up. There we go. Hey-ya. Sorry about the sun, everybody. I wonder if I could stand you up. Let's see. I think it'll start like that. Yeah. Here we go. That's just a bunch of kids' toys. No more ironing for you, ironing board. I think I got that leg in there helping to hold that in place. I did that on purpose, don't you know? Yeah, sometimes you just get lucky. It's a fan. It's a fan that's in pretty rusty shape, but that happens a lot around here. Come on, you. Thank you. Put you down to size. You're going back here. Mr. Fan, you're coming up here. I think I'm going to have to take this. Oh no, I can put them on that piece of furniture. You go there. Just chill out for a little while. Hello, pole. And clean up our mess. Leave you guys there. There's always space for cord food. Wood.
How you doing?
I'm good, man. I am awesome.
Awesome.
And you?
Faded.
I just don't speak Spanish.
Faded, really.
Hey, you know what we haven't played in a long time? The What Didn't You See Me Load game. So we're going to Mako speed through most of this. The two items, one's really big. You know, I think you all picked up on that one right away. The other one, yeah, it's bigger than a toaster. Kind of, maybe, a little. So come on, leave down in the comments below 2 items that you did not see me load. Oh, let's see if we can get to the top. Oh, man. Not even close. And it almost came back and got me.
It almost bit you back.
Hey, how you been, man?
Good, how you doing, son?
I'm doing awesome, man. No, we're not going to do the guess the length of ubiquitous wire shelving today because we're already doing the What Didn't I Load game. And, you know, 2 games in 1 video? Come on. What do you think I am? All right, hey, listen, if you enjoy these street scrapping videos, there's a link's going to pop up and take you to more of them because I got plenty for you to have fun watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you had some enjoyment from it. And if you haven't already subscribed, oh, where are you going? Get back over there. If you haven't already subscribed, that's that little red button in the lower right-hand corner. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.